This is numbers. So this is 1, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Where's 7? 7.
That 8 has number in it.
Oh.
That's 9.
Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, what? Oh, 7, 4, 3, 5.
You can put it there.
This is all the numbers.
Okay.
So we go put this on in order. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is all the numbers. So tell me what's first.
What's first to put?
The 0.
Okay.
So we put the 0 and the 0. Now what's next?
What's next?
Guys? It's 1. Yeah. What's next now?
What's next?
It's 2. 2.
Next.
So if we get to here, we're gonna do another activity. So what's next? Oh, it's 3. So what else? 4. I know that one. What's next? 5. So switch it out. Switch it out. Okay. What's next? 6. Yeah, 6. Now what's next? 7. 7, guys. And it's 8. It's 8. Goes to 8. And the last one. It's 7.
That's 9.
Oh, 9. This is 9.
Well,
So 6.
you can write again.
Okay, look.
Before you remove. You remove one by one and then you can see what is it.
I'm wrong. No. Remove. So let's try this one more time. So this